Top tools to program Mitsubishi Outlander 2023 Smart Key to bypass PIN code. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostic tools and programmers. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and show some love with a super thanks. Here is a detailed overview of the top tools available for programming smart keys for the Mitsubishi Outlander 2023 model without the need for a PIN code. For this model, it's important to note that direct OBD programming is not an option. Instead, a BCM cable or manual connection to the body control module BCM is required to proceed successfully. 1. Xhorse Key Programming Tools. Both the VVDI Key Tool Plus and the Key Tool Max Pro from Xhorse are capable of programming smart keys for Mitsubishi Outlander models from 2022 onwards. Menu navigation. IMMO Programming Mitsubishi Select by Area North America Outlander 2022 Up Smart Key. These tools make use of the Xhorse BCM40 cable to bypass the PIN code, which is necessary to complete the programming process. 2. OBDSTAR Key Programming Tools. The OBDSTAR X300 DP Plus and the OBDSTAR G3 are also suitable for programming smart keys for the Mitsubishi Outlander 2021 and onwards. These tools support both adding new keys and programming when all keys are lost. Additional requirement. To bypass the PIN code, you will need the OBDSTAR 40 pin cable. 3. Lonsdor K518 Pro Key Programming Tool. The Lonsdor K518 Pro is another reliable tool for programming smart keys for the Mitsubishi Outlander 2022 to 2023 models. Menu navigation. Mitsubishi select from Vehicle America North America Outlander 2022 to 2023 Smart Key. Just like the Xhorse tools, the Lonsdor K518 Pro also requires the Lonsdor BCM40 cable to bypass the PIN code during the key programming process. Key takeaway. For programming Mitsubishi Outlander 2023 smart keys without the PIN code, each of these tools requires a specific BCM cable to bypass the PIN code, whether it's from Xhorse, OBDSTAR, or Lonsdor. Proper connection to the BCM is critical since OBD programming will not work for this task. Make sure to follow the respective menu paths on each tool for a smooth and successful programming process. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that super thanks button. Until next time, happy diagnosing.